The Alas Sushi Making Kit brings together a thoughtfully chosen set of tools that let home cooks assemble neat, restaurant-style rolls without much trial and error. Between the bamboo mats, rice bazooka, and sharp sushi knife, the kit covers every major step from shaping the rice to cleanly slicing finished rolls. Helpful extras like the avocado and cucumber slicers, nigiri mold, and dipping plate make it easy to branch out beyond simple rolls and plate everything attractively. Clear guidance from the included cookbook and digital guide lowers the learning curve for beginners while still offering ideas that keep more experienced sushi fans interested. The components feel sturdy, are free from unwanted chemicals, and can be washed in a dishwasher, so the set holds up well to frequent sushi nights. Because it arrives as a coordinated all-in-one bundle, this kit works especially well as a practical gift for anyone who enjoys making or eating sushi at home.